Ang dami ko nang nagawang Dubai Chewy Cookie for the past, hindi ko na nga matandaan ilang months. Habang ginagawa ko yun, na-curious ako if I can still improve the cookie that I'm making. So, minisyon kong pumili sa iba't ibang supplier ng iba't ibang Dubai Chewy Cookie. Actually, nakabili na ako ng dalawa before. One from Krisha's Kitchen. Meron silang stall sa Glorieta. Krisha's Kitchen is known for their sugar-free cakes. Ang taste profile ng Dubai Chewy Cookie nila hindi matamis, perfect sa mga tita-titahan dyan. Ang nalasahan ko is medyo on the cake side, yung lasa. Which is given kasi ano sila, dessert company. The other one that I tried is from Cloud. So yung mga mini Dubai balls na meron sila top up sa kanilang yogurt. To be honest, I want to be honest, sakto lang. Pesos, because it's 3 pieces na maliliit. Is it worth it? Not so much siguro. Just buy another bigger one. And today, meron tayong dalawa pang i-review. May nadaanan akong isang shop. They are selling Korean products so that they are selling the Dubai Chewy Cookies. So, syempre, bumili na tayo para ma-taste test na natin. So, ito siya. It's smaller than how I do mine. This is 180 pesos. Mine is 110 pesos but a little bit bigger. So, medyo, let's see if it's worth the price na 180 pesos. Hindi siya nag-stretch. And I know why, because nas chiller siya. Preference-wise, yung iba kasi gusto nila yung nag-stretch. Hindi siya matamis, surprisingly. Siksik siya. In fairness naman, siksik siya. And yung chocolate niya is parang tinunaw na chocolate bar. Ganun siya. So it might be a familiar brand, yung chocolate powder and chocolate na nilagay nila dito. If you have the extra budget to do 180, go ahead. Hindi ka naman lugi, kumbaga. Yan, Sweet Mongol.
Beauty influencer.
They are in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, 3rd floor. Pagkakit mo na escalator, nandun na sila. Next, ito, nakikita ko sa TikTok na medyo okay yung review. Isa sila sa mga top 12 yung nakita ko. Alice Key Corner, Manila. And I actually waited 1 week for this. Medyo matagal yung lead time, but let's see if it's worth the wait. This is 110 per piece. So 220 tong 2 pieces in this container. Ooh, this is bigger. Bigger. Kasi-size ito yung akin. No? Kasi-size ito yung akin. And ito ay kakagawa lang ata kanina. So let's see. Taste test.
It's different.
It's super different sa nauna natin tinaste. Hindi siya matamis din. No? This one tastes more milky.
Oh, I see what they're saying about the nutty flavor. Because they said, ano diba? Ano yun? They make their own pistachio cream. Yeah, it says here. It says...
And lasang-lasa mo yung pagka-pistachio niya.
We use 100% homemade pistachio cream. So the flavors is naturally not forward. Yeah, you can definitely taste it more than the usual. Yung mga ready-made na pistachio cream.
So this one, hindi siya matamis. Lalo na yung feeling. It's because gawa nila yung sarili nila yung pistachio cream. And it's nuttier. So, it's actually really good. No?
Tsaka even yung mallows.
Pero it's still full of feeling. Look. Ma-feeling siya. Marami siyang feelings. Marami siyang feelings. And yun nga, hindi siya matamis dahil gawa nila yung pistachio. And lasang-lasang mo talaga yung pagka-pistachio niya. And the chocolate is not sweet. Disclaimer lang, pinili ko lahat ng mga pinagkakakain ko ngayon. Pero siya kasi lasa kayong pistachio. Personal preference. If you are craving for something sweeter or your preference is on the sweet side, you might not like this. I don't know. Depende sa'yo. But personal preference, yes. Sulit siya kasi 110 lang siya, but you're getting lasang-lasa yung nutty flavor. Lasang-lasa yung nutty flavor. Yun lang, tingnan natin kung makakabili pa ako ng more pistachio, Dubai pistachio cookies. Thank you!